Hello dear learners, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay dear learners, welcome to enjoy the class. Let's see some images and text to guess something. The display is very nice. Isn't the display very nice? Nobody likes a lion. Who likes a lion? Everybody fears a tiger. Who doesn't fear a tiger? The building decorated nicely. Didn't the building decorate nicely? The dove looks beautiful. Doesn't the dove look beautiful? What you have guessed by the images and text? Can you guess what are you going to learn today? Dear learners, today's lesson is transformation of sentences from assertive to interrogative. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the structure of changing assertive into interrogative and able to change assertive sentence into interrogative. How to change assertive present form of verb into interrogative without auxiliary verb? If the sentence has no auxiliary verb and the principal verb is present form, how you will change the sentence into interrogative? You have to follow this structure: don't or doesn't plus subject plus base form verb or present form of verb plus OW means other word or extension plus note of interrogation. Such as they play football. The sentence has no auxiliary verb and play is the present form of verb. So you must follow the rules. Don't plus subject they plus base form of verb play and other word football and note of interrogation. And she sings a song. Doesn't she sing a song? Dear learners, when you get the verb adds s or es at the end, then you start the sentence with doesn't, otherwise don't. How to change assertive past form of verb to interrogative without auxiliary? If the sentence has no auxiliary verb and the principal verb is past form, how you will change the sentence into interrogative? You should follow this structure: didn't plus subject plus present form of verb or base form of verb plus other word or extension plus note of interrogation. Such as they bought a car yesterday. The sentence has no auxiliary verb and bought is the past form of verb. So you should follow this structure: didn't plus subject they plus buy present form of bought plus a car yesterday and note of interrogation. Didn't they buy a car yesterday? How to change assertive auxiliary verb affirmative into interrogative? If the sentence has auxiliary verb and the sentence is affirmative, how you will change the sentence into interrogative? You should follow this structure: given auxiliary verb plus n apostrophe t means contracted form of not plus subject plus principal verb plus other word or extension plus note of interrogation. Such as they have played well. Here have is the auxiliary verb and you should follow this structure. Have plus n apostrophe t, haven't, plus subject they, plus principal verb played and other word well and note of interrogation. And next sentence, we were singing a song. Here were is the auxiliary verb, so we start this auxiliary verb were and add n apostrophe t, weren't, plus subject we, plus singing a song, plus note of interrogation. How to change assertive auxiliary verb negative to interrogative? If the sentence has auxiliary verb and sentence is negative, how you will change it to interrogative? You should follow this structure. Given auxiliary verb plus subject plus principal verb plus other word or extension plus note of interrogation. Such as they will not come here. The sentence has a auxiliary verb and it is a negative sentence. So you should follow this example structure. Given auxiliary verb will and subject they, auxiliary principal verb come, other word here and note of interrogation. Will they come here? She does not sing a song. Same way, does plus subject she and auxiliary principal verb sing and other word a song and note of interrogation. Does she sing a song? How to change assertive everybody, everyone or all as a subject into interrogative? If the sentence starts with everybody or everyone or all, how you will change into interrogative? You should follow this structure. Who plus does not or doesn't plus did not or didn't or auxiliary verb plus not plus base form of verb or principal verb plus other word or extension plus note of interrogation. Everyone wishes to be happy. This sentence starts with everyone, so you should follow this structure. Who and does not wish to be happy. Here does not because wishes is the present form of verb and carries es. That is why we take here does not. Everyone will help the helpless people. Here auxiliary verb will, the who auxiliary verb will and not auxiliary verb plus not, will not plus principal verb help and other words or extension the helpless people. The who will not help the helpless people. How to change assertive nobody, no one, none as a subject to interrogative? If the sentence starts with nobody or no one or none, how you will change it into interrogative? You should follow this structure. Who plus verb plus extension plus note of interrogation. Such as nobody trusts a liar. Who trusts a liar? Or none can do this. Who can do this? How to change assertive every plus noun into interrogative? If the sentence starts with every plus noun, how you will change the sentence into interrogative? You should follow this structure. Is or was there any plus given noun plus who plus doesn't or didn't plus base form of verb plus other word or extension plus note of interrogation. Such as every mother loves her child. Here every and mother is noun. So you should follow or you can follow this structure. Is there any plus noun mother plus who plus doesn't, because here loves is present form and carries s. That is why we take here doesn't. And principal verb or base form of verb loves, hello, love, because we take here doesn't, that is why s is omitted. Her child, other word, her child, note of interrogation. Is there any mother who doesn't love her child? Every man God take 10,000. Here God is past form, that is why we start was there any noun man who didn't, because God is the past form of verb and get is the present form of got. Take 10,000, note of interrogation. So was there any man who didn't get? Take 10,000. Do yourself. Here is some sentence. Try to solve this sentence or change this sentence into interrogative. Internet is a common based networking system. The woman became sympathetic to see Taimur. He can succeed in life. The books of great writers contain novel thoughts and great ideas. Wasting time is harmful for them. Try to yourself. Carry on. Okay, my dear students, check your answer. Isn't internet a computer-based networking system? Didn't the woman become sympathetic to see Taimur? Can't he succeeded in life? Don't the books of great writers contain noble thoughts and great ideas? Isn't wasting time harmful for them? Okay, my dear, you are advised to watch this video and other video regularly and prepare yourself to make better preparation. If you difficulties any problem, then you will contact with me. May you live in peace. Allah Hafiz.